Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Bed Wars with Nick. And except we're going to be only doing one round. Well, I'm not sure if it's Nick. Might as well say El Gato. Anyways, let's go. Should I use Uzi or should I use Evelyn? I'm going to use Evelyn. Alright, let's go into it. Hello.
Let's transport it to El Gato.
I have a literal El Gato shirt on, but you can't see it.
Do you? No, you're just wearing a black shirt.
Yes, I know, because you can't see it.
El Gatos are used in every single country. Support El Gato. I'll kill them.
Okay.
Actually, I'll do this shenanigan. There you go. No!
Oh,
What you done?
oh my god.
You destroyed the trousers. Okay. I'll get to use it. I'll get to use it. Oh my god, you really went for me. Kill Aqualani.
Alright. I killed Axel Amy, now I'm going for this. Bye bye. Well, I guess I have to carry this match. Let's go. Alright, hope I clutch. Boom. And should I upgrade my team generator? Or sure, I guess. Arm protection or team generator? Well, not gonna lie, I actually need to get iron armor. Let's do this. Gonna get some iron from over there.
I am actually right.
Yes.
I have to like go.
Oh, that's fine.
Mostly because it's boring being dead.
Oh, okay.
But also because I have to go do something.
Oh, alright.
You know the reason you're gonna win is
Why?
because I have to give a few El Gato luck.
Okay.
Now see you if I don't learn what this video are. El Gato.
Well, now he's gone, unfortunately. Let's go to Cyan and get their bed. Where even is Cyan? Oh wait, this is blue, and no, it's not blue. That's why they're still here. I'm still gonna break blue's bed anyway, so I can feel special. Yay. Now I'm gonna get some blocks and an axe. Now it is El Gato time! They have stone, are you kidding me? And one of them has lumen. Crazy. Oh, they don't even have a bed. Why is this guy walking so slow? Is this guy even running? What the heck is this guy doing? Oh god. Okay, they actually damaged me. The only person who was damaged me was like the lumen guy, to be honest. The other teammate was just trying to go on the bandwagon. So yeah. Oh god, now he has iron armor. I want to kill at least the Axel Amy guy, so. Oh my god, whatever. Ugh. I'm getting armor protection now. I should also get myself sharpness. This man just fell into the void, bro. Seriously, that's how he dies? Crazy, to be honest. Yep, killed that guy. Let's go. I'm gonna get some TNT now. We're gonna get more. We're gonna kill some more people. Wow, nobody even has a bed. I bought TNT for no reason. This person really said I'm hacking in the chat. Wow. Honestly, I don't really care about, you know, I don't really even care about getting called hacker. To be honest, calling somebody a hacker when they're not is basically a compliment that they're better than you. So, yeah. What's this guy doing? Oh, that guy has Hanukkah. Oh. No. Get back here. Let's go. I won.